In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pair watermark to your charts on Tradingview and configure it with a stock ticker as the background for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to customize your chart appearance or a beginner exploring the platform, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and concise manner. To begin, open up your Tradingview account and navigate to your chart. Once you have your chart in front of you, the first thing you'll want to do is right-click anywhere within the chart. This action will bring up a menu of options related to the chart settings and customization. From this menu, go ahead and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where you'll be able to adjust various chart features, including the watermark. Now that you're in the chart settings, look for the option labeled Watermark. Clicking on the Watermark tab will allow you to control what appears as the background of your chart. This is also where the magic of customizing your chart's appearance really starts to happen. From the options available under the Watermark section, find the drop-down menu. This drop-down is pivotal as it contains various choices for what you can add as a watermark on your chart. Carefully explore the options provided in the drop-down menu and decide which ones best suit your needs. It might be the specific pair you're trading or a more general background theme. The choice is yours. Once you've decided, tick the option you would like to add to your chart from the drop-down list. This selection will apply the desired watermark to your chart, be it a pair identifier or another form of ticker. Remember, the goal here is to make the chart more intuitive and aligned with the information you aim to highlight during trading sessions. Following the selection of your preferred watermark, you have the opportunity to personalize your chart even further by choosing a color preference for your watermark. This step ensures that the watermark is visible yet not overpowering the chart's main content. Consider choosing a color that complements your chart's theme while still being distinct enough to read clearly. After setting all your preferences and ensuring everything looks just the way you want, the final step is straightforward. Click on OK. By doing so, you confirm and apply all the changes made, and your chart will now display the pair watermark with the stock ticker as the background. Congratulations, you've successfully customized your Tradingview chart with a watermark and background that suits your creative